To Propagate the art of living with nature. Today I'm gonna talk to you about chrysanthemum. And in my previous video I was talking about how to repot a chrysanthemum plant, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to prune chrysanthemum and how to do new plants out of that. So if you couldn't check my previous video, you can find it in below description box. And before starting the process, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, please subscribe me and leave a comment, and please like me. And if you press the bell button below, as soon as I release my next video, you'll be able to see.
Okay, we're gonna start our process now, and this is the plant I have selected to prune. As you can see, this plant is a little bit tall now and it's time to prune it. And I can take 6 or 7 branches out of this plant to propagate. To prune the plant, we need operation blade or a pruning scissor. And we need a rooting powder. Today I'm using here root tar rooting powder. Instead of this, you can use cinnamon powder or pure honey as organic items. Now we are going to propagate them. Cut a 4 inches long stem and take a 45-degree angle cut. Like this way we can propagate many plants. Within 15 days, new branches will start to grow. After pruning, add 1 tablespoon of bone meal and 1 gram of DAP fertilizer. And keep plants under a shade for 15 days. Don't use fertilizers more than I mentioned above, because it will dry out the rooting system, or sometimes the entire plant will get died. Now our stems are ready for the propagation. As you can see properly here, they have cut into 45-degree angle. Now we have to remove 3-4 leaves from the bottom part of the stem. This will help you to apply rooting powder on the stem properly. Okay, now let's go to the next step. Let's see which kind of potting mix we have. You can use completely river sand or completely coco peat. Make sure to keep the media always wet, if not stems will get dry. So add some water to the coco peat and the river sand pots. Now dig some holes there. And make sure that the water should drain properly. So make some holes down of the pot. Okay, now our stems and pots are ready. We're gonna propagate now. Dip 1 inch of stem in water. Now dip in rooting powder. Remove extra powder tapping there and sit in pots. Continue the process at the same way. Sit them in pot media of coco peat and river sand. Then you will be able to control that which media is the most successful one. Finally, our stems are ready now. We have completely propagated them. Now it's time to sprinkle some water. Make sure to sprinkle some water every day and keep them wet always. If you like my video, please subscribe me. And to give a little like and leave a comment too. Share with your friends and stay tuned with the dark greens. Thank you for watching me. This is Dark Greens, the art of living with nature.